So your first house can actually be an investment property. The duplex behind me is a good example of what is possible. This duplex you can actually buy with only $14,000 down. It can never get better than that. So it's a new construction in the heart of Houston, Texas. Each of the units can rent for around $1,900, and you can live on one side and be a landlord on the other side. Let's go check it out. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Thank you.